Hello there, it's Abhinav Nirola. I'm back here with my new video, the opening encounter of the ongoing edition of IPL, which featured two unusual and unexpected 11s kick the tournament off yesterday. Now it's time to lace our boots up for the second encounter of the tournament. By the way, the matchup is going to witness a thorough clash between two sides that have never been crowned as champs, Delhi Capitals and Kings 11 Punjab. Let's preview the matchup. Do like, share and comment down below. Subscribe to my channel as well. On 20th of September 2020, this match is scheduled to be played at the Dubai International Stadium, Dubai. By the way, this venue is known to host 140 to 160 run encounters. The venue, in addition, possesses huge boundaries. The average run rate in this venue is 7.13. This indicates that the pitch present in this venue is quite tacky and slow. So, the slower bowlers shall be much more effective in this venue. I just hope that these teams don't include as many pacers as yesterday's both sides included. Spinners in the last match displayed what UAE is for them. Until and unless the pitch isn't absolutely green, the spinners under such super hot conditions will be much more useful. Both teams must look to play as many spinners as possible. The toss winners shall most probably opt to field first. This is because of the heavy involvement of dew that has always been witnessed in the matches that have been played in the United Arab Emirates until now. Kings 11 Punjab. Lokesh Rahul captain, Chris Gayle, Mayank Agarwal, Sarfaraz Khan, Nicholas Puran wicket-keeper, Mandeep Singh, Krishnappa Gautam, Ravi Bishnoi, Mujib-ur Rahman, Mohammad Shami and Sheldon Cottrell. This 11 can perform well only if all their mainstream bowlers perform their jobs accordingly. This is profoundly because this team contains only one utility player. All-rounders are the basis for a good modern T20 sides formation, and the total amount of all-rounders in this 11 is 1. The fielding bars and standards too aren't that high. Barring those factors, this team contains consistency, power hitting, squeezing, finishing, spinning, swinging and variating capabilities. Well, experience is what they lack in the middle order and spin bowling lineup. Mujib is in a top-notch form. If he plays well, expect this lineup to trouble its opponents big time. Well, Chris Jordan or Neesham's entry can also happen somewhere to solve the all-rounders problem. Delhi Capitals. Shikhar Dhawan, Prithvi Shaw, Ajinkya Rahane, Shreyas Iyer captain, Shimron Hetmyer, Rishabh Pant, Kimu Paul, Akshar Patel, Ravichandran Ashwin, Isant Sharma and Kakishore Rabada. If I were the selector, I would have definitely had Mishra in place of Isant, but I feel like DC will go with Isant due to his decent numbers in the last IPL. They must also remember that Isant went for big runs in 2014 when most of the matches were played in the UAE. Just 3 foreigners, but still this 11 is very much steady. This displays the kind of quality they possess in their Indian resources. The class of Rahane, Iyer and Dhawan is nicely complemented by the flamboyance of Shaw, Hetmyer, Pant and Kimu in this lineup. On the other hand, the T20 experience that this side's bowling lineup has shall not allow them to leak many runs. Well, the same problem can be witnessed in this side as well because we can't really see any part-timer who can bowl a bit if needed. For this factor alone, we might even witness Rahane being replaced with Stoinis. Just after going through the lineups, I could notice a clear difference between the lineups. It looks like Punjab is over-dependent upon their openers, whereas DC is a team in which responsibilities are divided proportionately. In such a tacky pitch, that formula might not work every time for the Kings, so I have my bets on DC this time around. Take care.